Today I'm going to share with you this amazing strategy that will minimize your risk and also give you higher risk to our ratio trades, all by using the free indicators that are available on TradingView. And to prove my claim, as you can see, I have backtested this strategy on Ethereum USD chart at 3-minute time frame in 2023, and the results, as you can see, are absolutely amazing. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, as this channel is currently new and I'm trying to post consistently, bringing you new indicators and strategies every week. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. This trading strategy works very well with scalping, and as you can see, I'm performing this strategy on 3-minute time frame at Ethereum USD chart. Now, in order to utilize this strategy, we're gonna need 3 indicators. So let's go towards the indicator tab, and here we're gonna add the first indicator, that the zone detector by Kalahi, into the chart. Now, once this indicator is added, let's go towards the indicator setting. As you can see that the indicator plots the supply and demand zones onto the chart, but we're going to use this indicator a little bit differently. So we're going to go towards the setting, and inside here, we're going to turn off this boxes and labels so that we only see the buy and sell signals. And one more thing that you can notice with these buy and sell signals is that the indicator gives you in a row multiple buy and sell signals. If you look at any other trading signals like Super Trend, they either give you a buy signal or a sell signal, and if there is a buy signal and you miss out on that, then you have to wait for next buy signal to appear after the sell signal. But the different thing with this indicator is that it gives you multiple buy and sell signals in a row, which can be a very good thing if you want to take advantage of the trend in the market. The second indicator that we're going to use for this strategy is the mean reversion channel. So let's go to the indicator tab, and here we're going to search for mean reversion channel, and we're going to add this indicator by Free Zulkifli to the chart. Now, once this indicator is added, as you can see, it's plotting this mean line, this reversion line, and also these reversion channels. So we're going to use this indicator in order to identify the overbought and oversold conditions in the market. So now let's go towards the indicator setting, and here we're going to turn off this mean line, the R1 and S1 line, and also in the inputs tab, we're going to change this outer channel size multiplier from 2.415 to 2. Now, once these settings are done, let's hit OK, and as you can see, the channel has become a little bit more thinner. So whenever the market touches the upper band of this channel, then at this condition the market is in overbought region, and whenever the market touches this lower channel, then it is in oversold region. Now we're going to use this indicator or this channel as a confirmation of our buy and sell signals, because we only want to trade with the trend if the market is in overbought condition, as you can see here, and we don't want to take any more long trades. And if the market is at that lower channel, then we don't want to take any short trades, because at this channel here the market is already oversold, so we will not be taking any short position. Now let's go ahead and add the third indicator that we're going to need for this strategy, and that indicator is a smooth moving average indicator. Now it's made by TradingView, so we're going to add this to a chart, and inside the settings of this indicator we're going to go here and we're going to change this length from 7 to 200, and also in the style we want to change the plot color and plot thickness a little bit. So once we hit OK, you can see that the channel has been plotted to the chart, and as you can see that the line has become more thicker. The SMMA indicator is basically used in order to filter out the ranging markets and in order to identify the overall trend in the market. As you can see here, the market is moving below this SMMA line. That would mean that the market is in bearish trend, and if the price action is happening above this SMMA line, then that would mean that the market is in bullish trend. This SMMA indicator does not only give weight to the most recent candles, but it gives overall weight to the smooth lines and smooth candles overall the period that is mentioned inside its length. So once it does that, then it plots a very smooth moving average line, and this gives us an idea about the overall trend in the market, and we want to use this indicator as a confirmation to filter out the ranging markets and to take advantage of the trending market. Now that the indicators have been set up, let's talk about the trend rules for taking long positions. The first rule is that the market should be moving above this SMMA line, as you can see in this case here. This would mean that the market is in overall bullish trend, and also both these channels should be above this SMMA line as well. So this is the first rule. The second rule is that the market must pull back into this lower channel, indicating that the market is in oversold conditions. The third rule is that there should be a buy signal plotted by the zone detectors indicator, and this will be a confirmation to take a long position. So we're gonna go ahead and take a long position at the close of this candle here, and we want to put our stop loss at this last swing low, and also we're gonna target 2 restore ratio. So we're gonna set our take profit at 2 restore ratio, and also we're gonna close or break even our trade once our quarter of our profit has been hit. In this case here, I would be risking 4% of my trading account, so I would break even the trade once 1% of the take profit has been met. So as you can see that this trade is in profit of 2 restore ratio, which is very good. Here you can see that there is another trading opportunity for taking long position, and you can see that the price action is happening above this SMMA line, and both channels are above this line as well. So the market is an overall bullish trend, and also market pulled back into this oversold region, indicating that the market is oversold. And also there is a buy signal plotted by the zone detector indicator. So now let's go ahead and take a long position at the close of this candle here, and we're gonna put our stop loss at this last swing low, and initially we'll be targeting 2 restore ratio, so we can set our take profit at 2 restore ratio here. And as you can see, our restore ratio has been met, and we can break even the trade once quarter of our profit has been hit, so we'll be saved from stop loss. Now let's go ahead and talk about the trading rules for taking short position. The first rule is that the market price action should be happening below this SMMA line, and both these channels should be below this SMMA line as well. As you can see that this is a valid condition here, and also market should pull back into this upper region, indicating that the market is in overbought condition. And also the zone detector indicator should plot a sell signal. So all these conditions are being met here, so we can go ahead and confidently take a short position at the close of this candle, and we'll be putting our stop loss at this last swing high, and we can target again 2 restore ratio. So we can set our take profit level at 2 restore ratio, and we can break even our trade once quarter of our take profit level has been hit. So this is how you can take short positions using this strategy. Even though this strategy works pretty well by itself, but there's a way you can take even more out of this strategy, and that way is by customizing the settings of these indicators that will allow you to take sniper entries, allowing you to take higher restore ratio trades. So in order to do that, let's go towards the mean reversion channel indicator, and here we're gonna make the channel a little bit tighter by reducing its outer channel size multiplier from 2 to 1.5. And once this is done, let's hit OK. As you can see, the channel will become a little bit tighter. And also in the SMMA line, we want to change the time frame from the chart to 15 minutes. As you can see, we're trading on 33-minute time frame, so here we're gonna select the 15-minute time frame to move the SMMA line even further. So after these adjustments have been done, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the trades. So for example, here you can see that there are valid conditions for taking buy signal because the price action and both the channels are above this SMMA line, and also the market pulled back into this lower region, indicating that the market is in oversold conditions. And here is a buy signal plotted by the zone detector indicator, so we can go ahead and take a long position at the close of this candle here, and again we can put our stop loss at this last swing low, and we'll be targeting 2 restore ratio. So as you can see, by adjusting the settings, we're able to get much more valid signals that allow us to take higher restore ratio trades. So this is how you can use this strategy to maximize your trading profits. And now I'm going to backtest this strategy on 2023 data, and I'm going to count all the trades that I can find in this time frame. After the backtesting, as you can see, the results are pretty awesome, and we were able to achieve win rate of 85% with a profit and loss ratio of 134%, so which is pretty good. And in the time frame of 2023, I was able to find 28 trades, out of which almost 85% were winning trades. So you can see that this trading strategy is pretty solid if you use it with the right rules that I have mentioned in this video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.